Max, please do not play cricket too close to Mr. Harris's car.
It is okay, Mia. I can control the shot.
Come on, Max. Hit the ball to me.
That was a soft cricket shot. You can do better.
I was only warming up. See? The ball almost went near the car.
Almost is not the same as hitting it.
Now hit a strong cricket shot, Max. Max, slow down. This hard cricket ball is not safe near the car.
Children, please stop the cricket game for a moment.
You may play street cricket, but please be careful near my car. That cricket ball is hard, and this car is very precious to me.
We understand, Mr. Harris. We will be careful.
We promise, nothing will happen to your car. A promise is important only when you keep it.
I will be careful. He sounded really serious. That means we should play softer cricket now.
Soft shots are boring. Max can win with one big hit.
Just one strong cricket shot, then I will slow down. Max, he just warned us. Please do not do it. I know what I am doing. Watch this. Max, not that hard. Oh no! The car window cracked. I did not mean to hit it that hard. Max, Mr. Harris's car is really damaged.
Mr. Harris is gonna be so angry.
He warned us already. We have to tell him right now. No. If we tell him, he will blame me. It was an accident, but running away is not an accident. I cannot face him. I am too scared. What if someone already saw the cricket ball hit it? Then we should go before anyone comes. Max, we promised him we would be careful. I know. That is why I am scared. Should we take the cricket ball? No. If we touch it, it will look worse. Leaving it there also looks worse. Please, Mia. Come home before he sees us. We should not be running away. What if Mr. Harris finds the cricket ball? Maybe he will not know who hit it. The truth will not stay hidden, Max. Do not tell Mom and Dad yet.
What happened to my car?
The rear passenger side window is broken, and the side is scratched.
This is the red cricket ball from their game.
They knew this happened, and nobody came to me.
This is not only about the car now. They must learn that running away makes a mistake bigger.
Max, I feel sick about Mr. Harris's car. Please stop talking about it. Not talking about it does not fix it. I just need more time.
Alex, I need to speak with you about my car.
What happened, Mr. Harris?
My rear window is broken, my car is scratched, and this cricket ball was beside it.
Max, Mia, do you know anything about this?
I am here to help everyone understand what happened. No one is here to hurt you. We need honest answers.
If something happened, tell us before this grows bigger.
I do not know.
Max, think carefully before you answer again.
I am thinking. Max, we saw what happened. Mia, please do not.
Max, why are you afraid of Mia speaking?
I just do not want everyone angry at me.
I am angry because the truth was left beside my car. The cricket ball helps us understand, but we need to be fair.
There is a camera near the street corner. I forgot about that camera.
That sounds like you already know what it may show. The footage shows Max hitting the cricket ball toward the car.
Max, you knew this before we saw the footage.
I was scared.
Being scared does not make lying okay.
I thought hiding it would make it disappear.
Hiding a mistake never repairs the damage.
I could understand an accident. I cannot understand running away.
I wanted us to tell you, but I was scared too.
Fear can explain silence, but it cannot excuse it.
I hit the cricket ball too hard. I saw the car window break and I ran away.
We are disappointed, but we still want you to do right.
I made it worse because I was afraid.
Now the next right step is honesty and repair.
I know I should have said something sooner. We were playing, and I accidentally hit the car with the ball. I'm sorry.
Mr. Harris, I am sorry I broke your rear passenger side window.
I am also sorry I ran away instead of telling you. I am also sorry I ran away instead of telling you.
I was scared, but that was still wrong. You warned us, and I did not listen.
That is the truth we needed to hear.
We will help repair the rear window and the scratches.
The damage upset me, but the running away hurt more.
If you came right away, I would have forgiven you much earlier.
I understand. I made the problem bigger.
When you damage something, tell the truth and try to fix it.
I was scared too, but I wanted us to tell the truth. You were right, Mia. I should have listened. I will not run away from a mistake again.
I believe you are truly sorry.
I forgive you, Max, but you must remember this day.
I will remember. I will help make it right.
We love you, Max,
but honesty must come before fear.
A mistake is smaller when you tell the truth quickly.
Next time, I will say sorry first. And I will speak sooner when something feels wrong.
That is how families and neighbors rebuild trust.
Keep this cricket ball away from cars next time.
Yes, Mr. Harris. We will play cricket in a safer place.
Today was hard, but truth helped us begin again.
I learned that hiding a mistake only makes it worse.